Hi, my name is Akshay, and I am a businessman by profession. I have been trying to trade in the stock market since past 4 5 years, but was based on tips and whatever we could read on news, and I was not successful in whatever transactions I wanted to make. So I was just talking to one of my friends, and he used to give me good tips. And I asked him, "How do you do this?" He once said, and after discussing with him, he said, "I have done a course of Vishal Bheda, and if you want to learn technicals on how to invest and how to not, you better do a course, and then you go ahead with whatever you want to." I've always had a inclination towards stock market. Once I did his course, every belief which I had about the stock's price being, going ahead with the news, everything was gone. His ideas, his indicators, his way of teaching has given me a whole new perception about how to invest, and I have been practicing his methods since past 2 3 months. Every time I look at his indicators, his approach, his regular mentorship sessions, I get a new insight on how to trade the stocks, which give good profits. Also, he believes in keeping stop losses, which I didn't used to earlier, which has helped me reduce my losses over the period of time. If you have an inclination towards investing in stock market, or becoming a trader, I sincerely suggest you go to Vishal Bheda's course. He will guide you on how to do it. He's a very patient man in terms of investing, and he will also keep a check if you do wrong trades. Especially after you finish his course, he will not allow you. That was the best part for me, actually. He did not allow us to trade. He asked only to backtest so that we get to know his strategy. Even though we backtested, I made a few mistakes, and every time we talk on phone, he would still tell me bluntly, "Akshay bhai, this is not the way you trade. Please follow the system." And believe me, whenever I've not followed the system, I have incurred losses. So it is better to understand how he's been dealing with stocks and how his mindset has worked. He's been in the field for the past 14 years, and his experience is immense. He will guide you. He has guided us, and it has been a beautiful 3 to 4 months after completion of the course, and I'm very satisfied. And he has changed, as I said, my entire perception on how to trade stocks and how to pick the right one, how to get an entry, how to exit, and that is pretty much it. So I suggest you go ahead, take a course, and then you can decide for yourself whether it is for you or not. Thank you so much, and all the best.